All right, so this Christmas card game will challenge our knowledge of popular Christmas song titles locally and globally. The names of familiar Christmas carols have been changed to fun, alternative, and descriptive titles in Standard English or in Patois. So we will take turns picking Standard English or Patois clues from this box right here for the other to guess in 30 seconds the actual title of the Christmas card. You understand all of that? I'll go first. Yeah, will you say yes, no? My daughter used to go. And I couldn't figure out what that means. Shh. Which Pickney this?
What child is this who dee da do da dee dum do dee? What child is this?
What child is this?
No, so you're such a show off. So you couldn't just say what child is a big word.
That's the first thing I sang.
No, but you
First
sing.
line is what I will do.
Come, you get one when I can't sing, I mean, I know it and all kind of thing. Which Pickney this?
Oh, this one is easy for you, Neville. It's called The Best Time Ever.
What? Is that easy for me?
Yes!
The best time ever?
The best time ever.
No, sir. I have no
Yeah, come on, Nev.
I have no idea.
Think hard.
I am.
Think hard. You whistle it all the time.
Yeah,
And it's one of
hurt.
your favorite carols.
The best time ever?
Yes.
No, sir.
If I'm thinking what I'm thinking. Da 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 da.
It's the best. Okay. It's the
Am I
best
right?
time of the year. We don't stop your eyes.
Oh, jeez.
All right. All right. Okay, she have my one love.
2.
Oh, you may have
Thank
me
you,
two love.
thank you,
You get
Harold.
one right. No, it's just one question I ask you. You can't go on two.
2.
Oh, we can ask you one question and I reach two.
Because I got the first one right and I got your one right.
Pretty up the passage.
Huh?
Pretty up the passage. See it there if you don't think I know how to read.
Oh, y'all think you got me. I know which one it is. It's Deck the Halls with bells of holly. Fa la 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 la.
All right, two love. Don't worry, folks. It's not for the swift.
Oh,
For those who can endure.
Yeah, something
you know,
tell
say
me.
nobody
Yeah,
who had
endurance.
ever said that yet. I don't know, man, we have come dead last ball out that.
okay, this one is called Saint Nick Perched in a Tropical Sapling.
Saint Nick's Perch, which means some tree, you mean, huh? So that is partridge in a perch.
Is it?
You know.
Could be 2 if
12 days
could
of
be 2.
Christmas.
Could be partridge. No. Because the partridge is a bird. This is Saint Nick.
Saint Nick.
Perched in a tropical sapling.
Tropical what?
Sapling.
Tree.
Santa ketchup in a
Hey, that mother, if you make one more sound with that thing, then I'm going to take it from
Santa
you.
ketchup in a mango tree.
Hi, guys. So you have me two love. I'm doing wonderfully, am I
Who
not?
love Harrow? Harrow, that sound right?
It's two. Yeah, it's two questions I ask. You can't go more than two. I actually know this one. Make haste to arrive.
Make haste to arrive. Make haste to arrive.
Hurry up and come.
Hurry up and come. Christmas. I can't wait for Christmas to come.
Why you not ring the bell?
Because the time not finished. All I want for Christmas is you.
It's not a Christmas song.
It's not a
think
Christmas
it's a.
song?
Well, it's a folk song. It's a Jamaican folk song. Right, that sound they know. Run, come quick. I first hear that. Let me know. I told you, I said, hurry up and come.
Come quick. Come gather around the store.
Right. You only have to lick the bell one time.
Look here, if School Challenge Chris is looking for a bell person, because Clive have got
Clive
down pat.
Me not get none yet, you know. I mean, don't sound like me, I'll get that one. Yeah.
Every time we start, never start.
What?
Ready? Be in jovial spirits for the season.
Be happy for the season. You know.
Be in jovial spirits for the season.
You don't know either. So if you don't know, how me if you know?
Merry Christmas. There's a song with Merry Christmas. Have a Merry Christmas.
Yeah.
Have a holly jolly
We
Christmas.
wish you a Merry Christmas. No,
We wish you a Merry Christmas.
I know that. It's not that. Clive, we don't know. You don't have to ring the bell.
It's important. That's his job. Ring the bell.
What is the answer? Christmas gets you in a good mood.
We should have started from the chorus. Kareem. All I want.
And again, I know this one. So the ones that I get for her, I know. Yute, we knock pan.
How did you, my boy?
Thank you very much. So I said the ones that I know. I didn't know that one, but go again.
A newborn king to see.
Don't you have me two love still?
This one named Kiss Me Neck a December.
Simone, can you come now?
Kiss Me Neck a December.
Come now.
Do you know the tune?
Oh, why are you being so aggressive? No,
Because I hear you don't know Kiss Me Neck a December.
You know it?
I think it's G with It's Christmas. Hey! Merry Christmas, how you be?
So how you get Kiss Me Neck at December?
We don't say G Whiz. Kiss Me Neck.
All right, folks. I did wonderfully, I
It's
thought.
been a long, long time.
Roll out
Cross my
after
mind.
this. I think I'm going to better there.
Kiss me neck a December.